Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to learn the top 5 proven techniques to make her miss you like crazy? This video is perfect for you if you want to create a deep longing and desire in her heart. Stay tuned till the end to unlock the secrets of captivating her heart. Technique 1. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. One of the most effective ways to make her miss you is by creating a sense of absence. Spending quality time together is essential, but giving each other space is equally important. Maintaining some distance and engaging in activities independently will ignite a longing within her to have you by her side. Technique 2. Be mysterious and unpredictable. Women love a bit of mystery and unpredictability. Surprise her with your gestures, whether it's a spontaneous weekend trip, a thoughtful gift, or planning a date night she'll never forget. By keeping her on her toes and never fully knowing what to expect from you, she'll crave your presence and miss the excitement you bring to her life. Technique 3. Focus on self-improvement. Investing time in yourself is not only beneficial for personal growth but also for making her miss you more. Focus on self-improvement by engaging in physical exercise, learning new skills, or pursuing your passions. By becoming the best version of yourself, she'll naturally miss your presence and admire your drive and dedication. Technique 4. Maintain a strong social life. While your partner is an integral part of your life, maintaining a strong social life outside the relationship is vital. Spend time with your friends, engage in hobbies, and pursue your interests. When she sees you enjoying your life to the fullest, she will miss being a part of it and eagerly await the time you spend together. Technique 5. Effective communication and listening. Last but not least, effective communication and active listening are key. Demonstrate a genuine interest in what she says, be attentive, and provide support when needed. By fostering open and honest communication, you will build a deeper emotional connection and make her miss the meaningful conversations you share. There you have it, the top 5 proven techniques to make her miss you like crazy. Remember, creating longing and desire in a relationship requires effort, consistency, and genuine care. By applying these techniques, you'll make her miss you and strengthen your bond. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice. Thank you for watching.